வணக்கம். வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல். 10th Standard Science English Medium 1 mark question and answers. Lesson number 19, Origin and Evolution of Life. Choose the correct answer. Biogenetic law states that dash. Answer B. Ontogeny recapitulates phylogeny. Ontogeny recapitulates phylogeny. The use and disuse theory was proposed by. Answer option C. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Paleontologists deal with. Answer option B. Fossil evidences. Fossil evidences. The best way of direct dating fossils of recent origin is by. Answer option A. Radiocarbon method. Radiocarbon method. The term ethnobotany was coined by. Option B. J.W. Korsberger. The term ethnobotany was coined by J.W. Korsberger. Fill in the blanks. The characters developed by the animals during their lifetime in response to the environmental changes are called dash. Answer acquired character. Acquired character. The degenerated and non-functional organs found in an organism are called dash. Answer vestigial organ. Vestigial organs. The forelimbs of bat and humans are examples of dash organs. Answer homologous organs. Homologous organs. The theory of natural selection for evolution was proposed by dash. Answer Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin. State true or false. Correct the false statements. The use and disuse theory of organs was postulated by Charles Darwin. Answer false. Not Charles Darwin, it is Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. The correct statement is the use and disuse theory of organs was postulated by Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. The homologous organs look similar and perform similar functions, but they have different origin and developmental pattern. Answer true. The homologous organs look similar and perform similar functions, but they have different origin and developmental pattern. True. Birds have evolved from reptiles. Answer true. Birds have evolved from reptiles. Answer true. Match the following. Here column A and column B are given. In column A, atavism, vestigial organs, analogous organs, homologous organs, Woodpark, W.F. Libby are given. In column B, answers are shuffled. We have to match it correctly. Let us see the answer. Atavism. Rudimentary tail and thick hair on the body. Atavism. Rudimentary tail and thick hair on the body. Vestigial organs. Caudal vertebrae and vermiform appendix. Caudal vertebrae and vermiform appendix. Analogous organs. A wing of a bat and a wing of an insect. Analogous organs. A wing of a bat and a wing of an insect. Homologous organs. A forelimb of a cat and a bird's wing. Homologous organs. A forelimb of a cat and a bird's wing. Woodpark, Thiruvakkarai. Woodpark, Thiruvakkarai. W.F. Libby. Radiocarbon dating. W.F. Libby. Radiocarbon dating.